ni Harina. Harina Santos, tigil sa tres! Low, last na. Bernardo. Nawa, pinuligan si Gab Dinglasan. Referee timeout. Referee timeout. Gabriel, kakalolo mo yan. Stop. Stop si Gab.
Bawal yan!
Ate po, anak mo, pinapalitan. Bakit kaya? Siguro may sequel dyan sa mga CR. Score 70-68 in favor of Team Maroon. Espadero, no good. Rebound si Harina, binigay kay Arecto, no good. Rebound ni Liwanag, binigay kay Bernardo, dahil naman dyan. Bernardo, sisira na siya, Harina, pala pa si Harina? Ay, sorry. 8 seconds na pala. Kala Paulo. Arreglo gives it up to Santos. Santos to Arreglo. Libre sa tres. No good. Marubo. Score 70-68 in favor of Team Black. David and Goliath matchup. Espadero against Bernardo. Liwanag ka na ba? Who's the rip? Technical! Liwanag! Ilan na? Technical tayo. Harina, pagkala si Harina. Harina, graduate. Possession ko ng Maroon. Penalty? Hindi raw penalty ang block. Yung Maroon lang. Maroon lang ang penalty. Score 71-68. Gab hands it up to Bernardo. Bernardo against Santos. Screen by Liwanag. Bernardo, 16 to shoot. Bernardo, last 1 minute. Bernardo, our score all tied up at 71 with time remaining 57 seconds. Arreglo to Rios. Rios to Espadero. Espadero. Lamang ang dalawa, Team Black. Bernardo may hawak. Last 40 seconds remaining. We have our shot of ball game, ladies and gentlemen. Quick foul. 67. Penalty? Di pa. Ilang team fouls? 13 foul for Team Black. Last 37 seconds remaining. Team Maroon can close this out, or Team Black can send this to Game 3 of the finals. Liwanag gives it off to Bernardo. Bernardo behind the back. Jumper. Foul! Foul si Santos. Foul na si Santos. First personal foul for team foul. 2 shots for Bernardo. Last 30 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Our score is 73-71 in favor of Team Black. Bernardo with 2 shots on the line. Is good. Second shot for Bernardo. Bernardo doesn't make his second shot. Rebounding Arroyo. Arroyo to the air. Shot is off. Our score 75-72. Gab, behind the box score. Bernardo gives it up to Gab. Gab to Liwanag. Lamang na lima ang team. Liwanag. Pero Liwanag. 2 points. 9 seconds remaining. Lamang na tatlo. Ang team. Kailangan nila pa ito. Time for enemy. Kaso natin sa parang natin. 2 points. Rios. Time out. Time out. Maroon.
Pinamigay ang pot.
Score 79-74. Time remaining 3 seconds. We want the Gab in Mbappe, winning Bernardo, quick three, negative, and that's it for the Mbappe. We are going to game 3. Our series tied at 1. Final score 79-74 in favor of Team Black.